Hello guys, good morning to all of you. Our topic for today is all about Julia Roberts. Julia Fiona Roberts is a renowned American actress and producer. She's one of the most popular and highest paid actresses in Hollywood, known for her captivating skills, smile, and versatility and range. Her early life and career, born on October 28, 1967, in Smyrna, Georgia. Raised in the family of actors, her parents were actors and playwrights. Began her acting career in the early 1990s, landing in small roles in films and TV shows. Her breakthrough and success rose to fame with her starring role in the 1990 film In a Pretty Woman movies. Received critical acclaim for her performances in Erin's Brockovich in 2000s, Notting Hill in 1999, and Runaway Bride in 1999. Won the Academy Awards for Best Actress for her portrayal of Erin Brockovich. Notable films and awards: starred in a wide range of films including Ocean's 11 in 2001. Received the 4 Academy Award nominations and won one. Has been named one of the People magazines with the 50 most beautiful people in the world. A record it's a 5 times. Her personal life: married to cinematographer Daniel Motter since 2002. Has 3 children, twins, Hazel, Finn, and son Henry. Known for her philanthropic work, particularly in the areas of education, healthcare, and environmental conservation. Julia Roberts is a talented and beloved actress who continues to captivate an audiences with her performances. And hello guys, this is all about Julia Roberts. If you are new of my here in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the share button and likes and comments in below. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you for watching. Bye.